Documenting what depends on what in your facilities can be complicated. Evolve FM helps you find the real issues quickly and easily so you can get everyone back to work in the shortest possible time. A quick look at Evolve's single line diagrams gives you the whole picture so you know exactly where all the connections are and can take action with confidence. It's easy to define and display the relationships between your assets and spaces. You simply identify them in the appropriate tabs in the asset records. Evolve takes care of creating the diagrams that show you all the relationships so you can easily identify all the space and asset dependencies and services. So here we're looking at the first floor plan for the Harmon Medical Center, and highlighted on this floor are all the sprinkler shutoffs. I'm going to click here and select this particular shutoff, and we're going to look at the relationships it has both upstream and downstream. To do that, I open the sprinkler shutoff record, and the first item I want to look at is services. In here I can see what shutoff actually services this particular shutoff. And if I want to look all the way back upstream, I can open this one-line drawing and I can see all the upstream shutoffs that exist before this one. Going the other way, we can look at downline dependence. Here I can see the two shutoffs that are immediately downstream from the one I'm looking at. And if I open the one-line drawing, I can see these two shutoffs, I can see the two spaces that are affected, and I can also see all the rest of the shutoffs downstream from this one that would get affected if I, for instance, shut this one off. This one-line drawing tells me a lot about the relationships between all the shutoffs and the spaces they service. So by correctly populating the Services tab, the Downline Dependence tab, and the Spaces tab, I can effectively provide all the data to create a very, very useful one-line drawing that shows me all the relationships up and downstream from the particular asset that I'm looking at. Visit cafmresources.com to learn more about Evolve FM. Evolve FM, everything you need, nothing you don't.